Want to repost someone else's story on Instagram but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. In today's video, I'll walk you through the quick and easy steps to repost someone else's story on Instagram. So let's dive in. First, launch the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. The only way you can repost someone else's story is if they have tagged you in that particular story. You will be notified in a DM about being tagged in the story, so check it out by tapping on the message icon from the top right corner. Inside the DM, look for the option that says Add to your story. Tap on it. The tag story will be open in your story editor. Now edit it according to your preference by adding text, stickers, GIFs or any other fun elements to personalize the story. Once you're satisfied, tap on Your Story button to repost it directly to your profile. And that's how you can easily repost someone else's story on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and leave a comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming videos.